Venice. The sea meets Mose. The North Lido barrier on the starting line. The crucial moment has come for Mose. Mose has 4 barriers. At the Lido inlet, the first of the 4 barriers to protect Venice from high waters is launched. The barriers consist of gates which normally rest on the seabed full of water. In the event of high water, the gates are raised by filling them with compressed air until they emerge and temporarily isolate the lagoon from the sea. At the Lido inlet, Mose consists of 2 barriers and a small craft harbour, with 2 basins connected by a lock. The seaside basin, emptied of water, becomes the construction site for the structures to house the North Lido gates. Seven housing structures and 2 abutment structures have been fabricated. Technical installations to operate the gates are installed in tunnels in the housing structures. The gates are attached to hinges installed on the housing structures. After closing the tunnels of each housing structure with watertight doors, the basin is flooded. After flooding, a gap is opened in the side of the basin to float the housing structures out. Launching of the structures begins. The housing structures are attached to a special catamaran and towed to the installation site. The catamaran with the housing structure is moved by a series of cables regulated by winches. When the installation site is reached, the housing structures are ballasted and sunk in a trench excavated in the seabed. The housing structures are lined up and connected to each other by special joints. The watertight doors are removed and the tunnels are made accessible for plant and maintenance personnel. The gates are installed in the housing structures. The barrier is complete and operational.